Well, hello there. My name is Heather Freeman, and I get to be your guide here at the Painted Playground, where I show creatives how to let their inner artist play on the canvas, no matter if you like to dabble in paint or you're an established artist. I'm going to show you how to do it, and I've been helping thousands of creatives who paint all kinds of different things, from nature to landscape to figuratives and abstracts and so much more. And I'm going to show you too, and here's where we get going and get started right here, right now. So welcome to my online studio. You know, this is where the magic happens. So grab your favorite beverage because this is where it starts. All right. So how many of us have had that feeling where we want to create something magical? We want to express ourselves more, want to play more, but we hesitate or hold back for whatever reason. And especially now, especially right now in these times of uncertainty, it can create doubt where we constantly second guess ourselves. You know, we've all been there, but seeing and hearing from those who have embraced this challenging time, who are seeing it as an opportunity, it's incredibly powerful because you realize this is an important moment in your bigger journey. You realize that who you are now isn't necessarily an indicator of who we are evolving into. It's just a part of the journey. And that's why now more than ever, it's time to pick the path that you're going to take. And I believe that we as passion-inspired creatives have a responsibility to put down our shield and to speak out for what we believe in, to find our voice and share it with the world in order to make our world more beautiful, and to stand up for what's beautiful. You know, because right now there are some big problems. They impact you, me, and everyone else in this world, and the ripple effect of these problems will change the way that we do things now and in the future. You know, we can't bury our head in the sand or hide and hope that things are just going to pass with time. As creatives, it's our responsibility to show up every day and be the light. This is our opportunity right here, right now, to think bigger and better and to come up with more creative solutions. We've been forced into a situation that we never imagined, but in times of chaos, they're grounded by confidence. Confidence brings balance, and that's why now is the time. Now's the time to look inward. Now's the time to rethink your creative practice. Now's the time to shift from outward to inward. Now is the time to make a change and step forward. And the goal of the Painted Playground is simple. It's to empower you with a reliable plan that creates more clarity and protects your creative expression from the stop and goes, especially during the tough times. One that gives you the next step every single paintbrush. And no matter what's happening on your canvas, you know, it's about reducing overwhelm, second guessing, and anxiety, and rethinking your creative time so you can be more present in the lives that matter most when they need you most. So the way we express ourselves, it's changing. You know, landscape painters, figurative painters, abstract painters, mixed media artists, you know, basically anyone who has a love, experience, and joy they want to share. They've made the bold decision to incorporate an expressive painting process, and you'll see exactly how to unleash and let loose this voice, because right now is the right time. Creative expression is on fire. Time has become more available than ever before, and research studies show that people want to feel better during this time. They want to be productive and learn new skills, and they want to pursue passions that they've never had time for, and they want to have fun. They want to come out of this a better person than they went in. People are also craving connection, and expressive painting provides a safe place for people to connect with themselves in a deeper, more heartfelt way. And creative expression provides letting go. And it's this letting go that can safeguard you from the chaos and the ups and downs of the outside world. That's why I wholeheartedly believe in the power of creative expression. It's now more than ever before, and the opportunity for you and I to join the Painted Play movement is right now. And I can't wait to see you here as we paint and play together.